So hi, in this video I'm going to discuss a problem of Codeforces round. It was a 923 round and it is a div3 contest. And this is the B problem of the contest. In the problem we have given a string of length n consisting of all the lowercase Latin letters and a trace basically that will track the what is a trace first of all? A array of n integers where ai number of such indices j, where j is less than I, that sj is equal to si basically, right? For example, we have given this array. This is a trace array and this is obtained on the basis of the s string. I will explain it now. We have given a trace, basically we have given this trace array and we need to find the string s of length n. So yeah, let's say this was the example 0000102. So how can we do that? Let me first of all add new page. Let's say this was the page. Problem was 000 0000102 and 03114 1020. Okay, let's take a random example. Let's say problem was 000120113 4. Let's say this was a test case. This was given a trace array basically. This is given to me. Now I need to find a string of length and basically the size of the trace array. So yeah, now look, first I got here 0, like 0. 0 means no element before this index present which is equal to this element. So I can put any unique element here basically, and that too in letters. So let's say I will put here a. Now again I found 0 means no element which is present at this index was found earlier. So let's say I will print a unique element, that is b here. I did that. Similarly I'll do here. I found 0 again. 0 means no elements earlier is present which is present at this element. So I need to print obviously a unique element here as well. So I print c. Okay. Now look, here it is 1. 1 means simply that a element is already present which is present at this position. Let's say a is here and a is already present there. Because of this it is showing us 1 in the trace. Similarly, if it is showing 2 means two elements are already present of this element which is at this position. So and now I found 0. 0 means a unique element I need to insert there. So I will have this unique element. Now I got 1. 1 means I need to print that element that is found one time only in the previous array or whatever it is string. So I will print b because b is only printed once time in the array before. Similarly, I need to print something which is found once and this found once, so I will print c here. Now I need to print something which is found three times earlier as well, which is a. A found three times as well already, so I will print a here. Now I need to print something which already found four times earlier, which is again a. So this was my string basically based on this trace. So this is how I can get the string. Okay. So okay. Uh Let me take one more example, I guess. Let's say this was the example. Okay. Let's say this was the example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 means I need to print any unique element. Whatever it was, doesn't care. I printed A. 1 means the element present at this position is already found earlier. Earlier, what we have A. So I will print again what? A. Simply. Now, what means this? The element at this position already found two times earlier. One time here, one time here. So I will print A here. Now similarly here, this represent that the element at this position already found three times earlier, which is at here, and at here means I will print a as here. Similarly for these as well. So this is how I will got the required answer basically. This is called a string for the given trace. So I got this. Now how can I implement this basically? What can be my approach for the problem? So as you can see, at the position where I found 0, I need to simply print any unique element, whatever it is, I don't care. So as you can see, 000 I found 8 times, means I need to print here 8 unique elements. Now I found, let's say, 3 times 1, 2 times this and 1 time this, means I need to increase the already present element once more. Basically this is what it's mean. So if I explain the code, what I did, let me take it to VS Code first of all. So look, what I did is, first of all, I have taken an input as v, right, vector v. I am storing the index. Basically, in this problem, the order will matter, right? I am taking pairs. Some of you have another approach as well, whether they were using map or whatever it was. But at the end, the procedure would be same, right? So I am using here pairs. So what I did is, I am storing first of all elements what are given to us and indexes basically to rearrange after I got the all the indexes. Now I have sorted it in the increasing order. So let's say I will dry run this according to my code. Now at this point I have sorted the array. So what I will get is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 3 4. So after sorting I will get one pair like this, and at the down I will get the index as well. So index would be something like 1 2, right? Now I have print this element first, so the element at the fourth position will be printed here, the element at the sixth position will be printed here. Now the element at the third position is printed here, the element at the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth position would be printed here. Similarly 9, and the element at the 10th position, no, sorry, 1 2 3 0 1 1 2 3 4 5, fifth position will be printed here. It was fifth, sixth, seventh position would be printed here, and 8 9, yeah, ninth position would be printed here. So after sorting, what was happened is the value of I, or you can say order, I have order will be changed because I have sorted the array. So the position of the indexes basically changes like this. Now this will help me again when I will rearrange them now. So what I will do is I will simply sort this, so this will automatically be arranged for me. So this is why I am storing this basically. Now I've created another array queue. So what I will do is I will count the frequency basically. How many times 0 appears means I need 0. Let's say 0 appears 5 times, means I need 5 unique elements, right? So here what I did is, I have first of all, I have sorted it already, right? Now I will run a loop that will go from 0 to -1, and that will check these indexes. V of I dot first equal to a V of I dot I plus 1, so it will count plus plus. So basically what it is doing is, it is storing the values, this frequency basically. Frequency of 0 is in this array is 5, right? Frequency of 1 in this array is 3. Frequency of 2 in this array is 1. Frequency of 3 in this array is 1. Frequency of 4 in this array is 1. So this is what I am calculating here. Once I got this, what I did is I have run a loop from 0 to q size tak, right? And I am running a loop that will go to q dot second, basically the frequency of the element. I got the 5 times 0 means I need 5 unique elements. So that is what I am doing is I am basically pushing the elements in the vector p, yeah, array of vector p. I am pushing these elements and 0 here, and at the end I am replacing the 0 with the v of I dot second and simply sorting it to get the desired output. So this is what I did. If I try to write it down that how I am implementing this, so I have printed a here, b here, c here, d here, e here. All elements should be unique, right? Because I found 0. Similarly a, b, c. Similarly a again, a again, a again. Now I got the characters, but now I need to rearrange this. How can I rearrange this? I will simply sort this. When as soon as I will sort this, I will got the answer. So let's say I will sort this. So what I have to do is 0 are a, b, c. These are sorted, right? Now the element at 3 is what? It is a. So I will print a here. Now the element at 4 is d. So I will write d here. Now the element at 6, uh, I think it was e maybe. The element at 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is b. So it should be b. So basically, yeah, this is how I'm going to get the, I'm not writing again. Let's say I will run this code, but I will get, let me see. So yeah, I'm getting this, right? So I have already written the correct, right? So I can, as soon as I will sort this, I will get the correct arrangement of the characters basically. This is what I am getting there. So this was the implementation of the code. This is how we have to do that. Let me copy all the thesis of the questions that were these. Basically, the in this question, what was key, we can print and there can be many solutions, so we can print any solution of the. So because of this, these characters weren't matching to this, so it isn't synced pass basically, but all the answers were correct. Now as you can see here, I got two wrong submissions. The problem was that I was doing during the contest that I wasn't using -1 here. This will resulting in runtime error. Because of this, I got two wrong answers basically. Here I am getting the correct output, but in the whenever I am submitting the problem, I was getting the wrong output. So keep that in my mind.